Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today the price line of BTC is retesting the previous support of the triangle as a resistance on the daily time frame chart. And if it will be broken out, then we can expect a massive move to the upside. However, if it will be rejected from here, then we can expect another retest of $30,000 support. And by the way, guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, first of all, I want to show you this chart. And this is the daily time frame chart. And we've already seen that the price line of BTC was moving very well between the resistance and the support of this triangle. Finally, the price action broke out this support of the triangle. And now it is really very important movement for the Bitcoin because it is retesting the previous resistance as a support. And if it will be rejected, then it can be a kind of bull trap. If you're buying the Bitcoin here, then you can expect a massive drop up to $30,000. That is our next support. The technical target for this triangle in case of breakdown can be approximately $23,500, but we have a very strong support at $30,000, and on the long term we are strong bullish so far. Therefore, we can expect that the price action will not go to that level of $23,000 or $24,000. However, it can retest the $30,000 support that is not broken down so far, and we can see that whenever the price action is moving at $30,000, it is getting reversed to the upside, and sometimes, even most of the times, it is reaching very close to the $30,000, but it is getting reversed. So we have so many buying orders at this level at $30,000 and close to the $30,000. Therefore, the price action is getting rejected again and again by this level. However, there is another possibility, because if we can see that we have so many wicks of these candlesticks. If I connect all these wicks, then we can see that the price action is also likely to form a falling wedge pattern. Now, once we will have another rejection, like for example, we have this touch here, and once the price action will be again after this rejection, if it will be moved down, it will be bounced from here, then it will be confirmed that the price action is likely to form this falling wedge pattern. And you guys already know that this is considered as a bullish reversal pattern among the traders community, and most of the times the price action after moving between the resistance and the support of the falling wedge, the price action breaks out the resistance of this pattern. But there are some chances, less chances, that sometimes it can also break down the support of this wedge as well. However, at this time, unless we will not have another bounce, we cannot confirm that this is a confirmed falling wedge. It can also move down to retest the $30,000 support. Once we will have another bounce, that will be confirmed. And I want to show you one more thing. Here we have the EMA 10 and 21 on the daily time frame chart, and the price action is getting rejected again and again by the EMA 10 on this daily time frame chart. Once the price action will be able to break out this EMA 10, after that it will be easy for the price action to break out the EMA 21 daily as well. And once the price line will break out the EMA 21, then we can expect a massive move after that. And we can see that since after here, when the price action crossed down the EMA 21 on 12th of May, so far the price line is not able to break out this EMA 10 and 21 on the daily time frame chart again. And now I want to show you this Ichimoku cloud on the weekly time frame chart. And previously we have seen that this conversion line, this blue line, was crossing down, was moving down to form the death cross or the bear cross with this baseline of the Ichimoku cloud. And I told you previously that whenever this conversion line in the Ichimoku cloud crosses down this baseline, this red line, that is a sell signal on the weekly time frame chart. I'm showing you this Ichimoku cloud, and we can see that the lagging span previously was moving down aggressively, but now it is likely to have a bounce from this support. And once we will have a lagging span clearly moving to the upside, and this conversion line will start moving to the upside, we can see that the candlesticks at that time will start moving to the upside again, because the price action follows the signals of the Ichimoku cloud very well, especially on the long-term chart. And previously we have already seen whenever the previous bull runs were ended, we received the conversion and the baseline death crosses, and then the bull runs were ended and the price action even crossed down the cloud as well. For example, here we can see after this 2017 bull run, the price, this conversion line formed the death cross with the baseline here, and then we can see that this lagging span also crossed down the price action as well, and eventually the price action moved down under this cloud, and that was the ending of the bull run. And if we move back to the previous bull run of 2013, then we can see that even at that time, this lagging span of the Ichimoku cloud crossed down the candlesticks, and we also received a death cross between the conversion and the baseline here. That was a very strong signal on the weekly time frame chart, and eventually the price action followed the signal of the Ichimoku cloud and crossed down this cloud as well. And after that, we have seen for the long time the price action moved below this cloud, and then finally the price action broke out this cloud, and we had another bull run after that. Now, and in the current situation, we can see that this time the price action is at a good distance from this cloud, and there is a good distance between the conversion and the baseline as well. And you can see previously the conversion line was moving to the downside, but now it is moving sideways, and soon we can expect on the long term it will again moving to the upside. And this lagging span was moving down here, found a support, and again moved down, and again it is getting bounced by this support, same as like the price action has found a very good support at $30,000. The lagging span has also found a kind of support here, and you can see that it is also having a kind of double bottom from this level. Therefore, we can expect, unless the candlesticks will not cross down this cloud, and we will not receive the death cross between the conversion and the baseline, and this lagging span will not cross down the candlesticks, the bull run is continued on the long term. And I would like to repeat it again, that even though at this time we are having this price action moving to the upside and retesting the previous support as a resistance, the buying volume is very low. Even though the sell volume was not as that much high, that we could expect that this is the final confirmation of this breakdown, and the price action can move and hit the technical targets of this triangle. However, the buying volume is also very low. We need the buying volume or sell volume, powerful buying or sell volume, in order to confirm this breakout or breakdown. However, there is a possibility that the price action will be rejected by this resistance, and it can retest the previous support of $30,000, and there is also a possibility that the price action will be bounced by this support, and it will confirm this falling wedge here. That is a bullish reversal pattern, and eventually the price action will break out this resistance, and then we will have a very, very massive rally to the upside. So these are really very important moments while the price action is retesting this previous support as a resistance. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.